अगर नगर के मियाँ मगरमच्छ, अगर नगर के मियाँ मगरमच्छ, हमको बताओ बिल्कुल सच, हम बताओ बिल्कुल सच। दुम है तुम्हारी इतनी मोटी, दुम है तुम्हारी इतनी मोटी, आंखें क्यों हैं इतनी छोटी, आंखें क्यों हैं इतनी छोटी। मुस्कुराते हो तुम ऐसे, मुस्कुराते हो तुम ऐसे, कोई बात हुई हो जैसे, कोई बात हुई हो जैसे। अच्छा बाबा कुछ ना बोलो, अच्छा बाबा कुछ ना बोलो, दांतों वाला मुंह ना खोलो, दांतों वाला मुंह ना खोलो। Good morning, children. How are you all doing? Must be enjoying festival time with your parents. Children, today what is in my hand? Do you identify this? Yes, it's a alligator. It's a alligator. Are you afraid of alligator? Are you? I'm not afraid of alligator because this alligator eats only numbers. It only eats numbers when it is hungry. And you know one more thing? It eats only bigger number or larger number. It does not eat smaller numbers. So children, this open mouth of alligator is always facing the larger number. I wanted to show you this symbol. This symbol is of greater than. The open side of this symbol indicates open mouth of a alligator, open mouth of a alligator, and it opens towards the bigger number, and the closed side is representing the smaller number. So on this side it will always have a bigger number, and on this side it will have a smaller number. Let me tell you the use of this symbol with the help of numbers. See children, here in the first row I have written two numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Now here the symbol open mouth is facing towards 3. That means 3 is a bigger number. 3 is a bigger number and 2 is smaller. So how we are going to read? 3 is bigger than 2. 3 is bigger than 2. In the next row, see 7. And the symbol showing the closed side. This side is closed. It means 7 is smaller. 7 is smaller than 8. Now towards the 8, the mouth is open. So 8 is bigger. It's larger. So we will read 7 is smaller than 8. 7 is smaller than 8. Children, sometimes we have numbers which are equal. Both the sides are equal. Here we see 9 and here again it is 9. So both are equal. So here we put equal to sign. We put equal to sign. To make it more clear, let's see this video. Put the sign. Greater than, lesser than, unequal to. There is an alligator who lives in the water and is very hungry. This alligator eats only large number when it's very hungry. In this slide, there are two groups of fishes. 6 yellow and orange fishes and 4 orange and blue fishes. Now, children, can you tell me which group will alligator eat? Yes, alligator will eat group of 6 fishes which are yellow and orange in color because they are more in number. So, children, we will put the sign greater than which depicts the open mouth of alligator. So here we see 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. In this slide, we have group of 2 animals. We have 6 cocks and we have 12 bunny rabbits. Now children, can you tell me which group will alligator eat? Yes, alligator will eat 12 bunny rabbits. He will eat 12 bunny rabbits because they are more in number. So we put the sign here. Open mouth of this indicates greater than. So 12 is greater than 6. 12 is greater than 6. Now in this slide, there are set of 2 starfishes. One is purple 4 starfishes and second group is yellow starfishes which are also 4 in number. Now alligator is confused which group to eat because both are same in number, because both are having same number. So he cannot put greater than or lesser than sign. Then which sign the alligator is going to put? Yes, equal to. Equal to means number having same value. Numbers having same value, then we put equal to sign. There are some more examples. In the first row, we have 2 numbers 15 and 16. Now you have to put the sign greater than, less than or equal to. Now tell me children, which is bigger? Yes, number 16 is bigger, so we put greater than sign and open mouth of alligator indicates greater than sign. It indicates greater than. This means 16 is greater than or more than 15. In the second row, we have 2 numbers 29 and the second number is again 29. So both the numbers are same. So whenever we have same numbers, we put equal to sign. Now in the third row, we have 2 numbers 42 and 37. Now you have to put the sign greater than or less than. Here 42 is greater than 37. 42 is greater than 37. So the mouth of alligator will open towards 42. It indicates 42 is greater than 37. Now let us do some more example. In the first row, we have 2 numbers 3 and 4. We have to put the sign greater than, less than or equal to. So now can you tell me what will come here? Yes, 3 is less than 4 or 4 is greater than 3. So greater than will come here. The alligator mouth, open mouth indicates greater number or a bigger number. So the number towards the open mouth is called greater or a bigger number. In the second row we have two numbers 12 and 11. 12 and 11. Now can you tell me which sign will come here? Yes, it will in the open side of a alligator's mouth indicates 12 is bigger than 11. 12 is bigger than 11. Now next set of numbers are 20 and 20. Can you tell me which sign will come here? Yes, equal to, because 20 is equal to 20. Both the numbers have same value, or whenever there are same numbers we put the equal to sign. And last, 35 is greater than 34. 35 is greater than 34 because the mouth of the alligator is facing towards number 35. So it is greater. Bye bye children. Take care.